Welcome to PromptROI. Right now, you'll discover how to create an entire library of pre-made custom prompts. Prompts that can help you get your writing jobs done faster so you can earn more and enjoy happier clients. Before we create our first custom prompt, let's go add at least one category to our library. To do that, click Settings on the left. Then click Categories. Enter your first category name in the box. Then click the Add Category button. Now let's go create our first prompt and assign it to this category. Click Prompts on the left. Next, click the New Prompt button in the upper right corner. As you can see, there are a few steps here to complete before you publish your prompt. The first step is to give your prompt a title and a description. Then you can use the same information for search engines by clicking this checkbox, or leave that box unchecked and customize it yourself. Next, you'll choose if this prompt is going to generate text or images. I'll cover image generation prompts in another video. So for now, we'll choose text. Then choose which models you want to allow for use with this prompt. You can choose one or all of them. It's completely up to you. Next, choose the category for this prompt. And finally, you can put a suggested price. This is only important if you decide to upgrade to the reseller plan and monetize your prompts at some point in the future. Now here is where the magic happens. This is where you place your carefully crafted prompt with custom variables. In future training programs, we will cover the art and science of prompt engineering. For now, let's paste in a prompt we made earlier using our prompt mapper prompt. This is a prompt that makes prompts. I know, it's like Inception. But it's a good starting point when creating a new prompt idea from scratch. Keep in mind, this prompt here is not a finished prompt. It's a first draft prompt that would need more engineering before being published. But for the purpose of this video, it's useful to show you how custom variables work. You'll notice the first part of this prompt is letting them know what role it will play. Professional content creator. The prompt goes on to provide an objective and other guidelines for the AI to follow. You'll also notice there are certain phrases surrounded by curly brackets. These are what we call custom variables. This tells PromptROI that you want to be able to enter a custom answer here, which in turn allows the system to create completely customized output for you. Every time you run this prompt, you get output based on the answers to the variables. Is this making sense? I hope it is. I always tell people, you are only limited by your own imagination. If you think outside the box, you can give yourself a serious competitive advantage. Okay, so let's assume this prompt was good to go. On the next screen, you'll see the variable names, which automatically pre-fill for you. You also have a tooltip field for each variable, so you can guide yourself or your users. Keep in mind, we have a prompt in the Reseller Kit collection that you can use to write these tooltips. It's called the Description and Tooltips prompt, and it's a staple in the prompt engineering workflow. You can paste in the actual prompt, click the button, and get well-written tooltips in seconds. When your tooltips are written in, scroll to the bottom and click Next. Now this section here allows you to upload a video to educate users of this prompt. Or you can upload or create your own audio instructions down here. Essentially, if you're in the reseller plan, each prompt page turns into an online lesson. I will make a separate video showing you how to use this, but for now you can skip it. On this final page, we can test the prompt we just created. Simply enter the answers to the questions and click the Submit button. Within 10 to 15 seconds, you'll get your output here on the right. You can copy the text by simply clicking here where it says Copy Text. If you want to change, add or remove something from the prompt, click Go Back. When you are ready to publish your prompt, click Publish Prompt in the upper right. You'll get this satisfying confetti explosion and you'll see you have one live prompt. If you click the prompt card, it opens up and you can use this prompt. All your prompt runs are stored in the app, so you can refer back to them later. As you can probably see now, the goal is to build an army of these custom prompts. You can use them every day to get your writing work done faster and easier. Then maybe build a team around your intellectual property. Or with the reseller plan, you could even let others use them for a monthly fee. The sky's the limit for you, but for me, this video is finished. I'll see you in the next one.